Hi there, Beth here with a very quick unboxing of a Blythe doll that I bought on eBay. She is a 2004 SBL Stock Blythe named French Trench. So she is a second-hand Blythe, my first that I've bought, and my intention is to customize her. She will be my first genuine stock Blythe custom. So she's coming without any stock or anything. She has a few imperfections, but since I'll be taking her apart and carving her face anyway, it shouldn't affect anything. So I do have, I'll include some pictures of what I'm expecting before I open it, but she should have some custom eye chips already, a wonky eyelash, a little mark on one leg, a couple of scuffs on her face, but otherwise I'm hoping she's in very good condition. So I'm going to open her up and let's have a look at her. Okay. Nicely packaged in here. Best wishes from Diane. Thank you. Oh, nicely packaged. Okay. Oh wow. It's always exciting to handle what feels like someone else's Blythe for the first time. Oh, excellent. Yeah, she's in great condition. She's got her original hair, nice short hair. Got a little hair clip there. Oh, very nice. Scissors. Oh, yeah. She has a lovely face. She's been matted as well. Let's have a look at the back of her. See that? Blythe TM, 2003 Hasbro, CWC, Takara, China. Yes, excellent. Lovely. Let's see. Lovely, yeah, good eye mechanism. Oh, lovely eye chips. Oh, these are nice. I wonder if these gold ones, try and get a good picture for you to see. These gold ones have flowers in them. That's really nice. I don't have a plan for how she'll be customized as yet. I just saw she was a good price, so I thought I would just jump at it because I've just sold my Snowdrop MIDI doll and my Mint Carousel goes on sale today. So I'm thinking ahead. A lot of people are asking for customs, and I'll certainly be trying to take one or two stock customized dolls with me to BlytheCon in October. So if you're going, you might have an opportunity to buy a genuine Blythe custom from me there. But otherwise, yeah, I'm thinking about the future and how and when I will want to open up for commissions for customs. But first steps first, we've got this girl. So I'll have to start planning a scheme for her. She won't be the next doll that I customize, but she will happen eventually. So thank you for watching. I will be opening her up and checking her out in my own time, but I'll leave you with a couple of nice pictures of her. I'm really happy with her. I don't immediately see any damage or anything to the face. These marks is very minor. Yeah, minor scuffing. But yeah, nothing to worry about. I'll see if I can remove this little stain on her leg. But no, I'm very happy. So there we go. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.